Climate types in Turkey. The common weather conditions experienced in a certain area are called climate. Lütfi ŞAHİN. If the dinosaurs, which lived 65 million years ago, had lived today, the existence of humanity would not be possible within the framework of possible expressions. The solar system, circulating the center of the Milky Way Galaxy, while completing one of its turns, encountered a dust cloud in space, and this dust cloud formed a curtain between the Sun and 9 planets. The result was clear: -10 degrees of cold weather conditions and the Ice Age. As a result of the fact that everywhere was covered with glaciers, life was affected both positively and negatively. Yes, 65 million years ago, a monotype climate prevailed all over the world, and because of this climate, some living things perished and some survived. Today, the solar system again revolves around the Milky Way Galaxy and calls for a possible second ice age. On planet Earth, which consists of a single continent, a life form sprouted, and its name was clear: human. Humans have a mind and can think, and these beings classify everything. Human beings call mountain to the heights, hill to the lower. They also give proper names to the mountains and hills. Humankind, who classifies everything, considers the conditions they have lived and observed this. While some regions are very hot in the same period, some are very cold. Humankind continued its research and saw that while oranges grow in some regions, they do not grow in others. Similar expressions have caused human beings to use the term climate. Humanity, which also classifies itself within the classification, has created proper life conditions according to their region's climates. The living conditions in our country have taken shape in accordance with the climate types. Within the general frameworks, the climate types in our country are divided into 3. These are Black Sea climate, terrestrial climate, Mediterranean climate. In the general framework, 3 factors have been effective in the formation of these climate types. These are the latitude of the region, that is, its distance from the equator, the distance of the region to the seas and the other pieces of lands, the height of the region. Let's briefly examine the climate types in our country. Black Sea climate. This climate type, which is rainy all year, is mostly seen in the Black Sea region. The parts where it is more effective are on the slopes of the North Anatolian mountains facing the Black Sea. In this climate type, which is rainy throughout all seasons, the annual precipitation average is 2000 to 2015 mm in the eastern Black Sea region, 1000 to 1500 mm in the western Black Sea region, 800 to 1000 mm in the central Black Sea region. The annual temperature is 13-15 degrees. Terrestrial climate. Summers are hot and dry, winters are cold and rainy, and precipitation is especially in the form of snow. Frosts are common. This type of climate prevails in the central Anatolia region, eastern Anatolia region, and southeastern Anatolia region. The average precipitation varies between 300–400 mm, and the average temperature is 10 or 12 degrees. Mediterranean climate. This type of climate, which has hot and dry summers and mild and rainy winters, is mostly seen in the Mediterranean region, Aegean region, and a part of the Marmara region. The annual precipitation average is between 600–1000 mm, and the annual average temperature is between 18 and 20 degrees.